Good evening, sir. My name is Brandon Hadlocon, and I'm reporting about the intact buoyancy and how ship stability will be affected when it's breached. Intact buoyancy. Intact buoyancy refers to a ship's ability to remain afloat and stable when its hull is intact, meaning there are no breaches or damage to the hull that would compromise its watertight integrity. Breach of intact buoyancy. If the hull is breached, water can flow into the ship, affecting its stability. The effects of a breach on ship stability include 1. Loss of buoyancy. Water ingress can cause the ship to lose buoyancy, potentially leading to capsizing or sinking. 2. Shift in center of gravity. Flood can cause a shift in the ship's center of gravity, affecting its stability. 3. Increased draft. Water ingress can increase the ship's draft, reducing its freeboard and stability. 4. Lace or trim. Depending on the location and extent of the breach, the ship may develop a lace titled to one side or trim tilt forward aft. To mitigate this effect, ships are designed with various safety features such as 1. Watertight subdivision, diving the hull into separate compartments to limit flooding. 2. Damage stability, design the ship to remain stable even with a certain compartment flooded. In the event of breach, prompt action is crucial to prevent further damage and ensure the safety of the crew and passengers.